These side hustles are beginner-friendly, require little to no investment, and can be done from anywhere in the world. Some can pay you within 24 hours. Others can grow into full-time businesses if you stay consistent. Stick with me until the end because you'll learn which side hustle you can automate and which one has the highest earning potential with the least effort. One of these side hustles can be automated. I'll reveal it later. Side hustle. Number 1. Freelance micro-tasks. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to earn money by offering simple digital services. You don't need to be an expert, even small tasks. Pay well. Examples: designing simple logos in Canva, writing short captions, editing photos, creating social media posts, transcribing audio voiceovers using AI tools. Why this works? There's massive demand for small tasks that businesses don't want to do themselves. How to start? Choose one simple skill. Create a Fiverr profile. Upload 3 5-gig examples. Deliver fast to get reviews. Slowly increase your pricing. Earning potential. Beginners earn $10 to $50 per task. Experienced freelancers earn $100+ per hour. Side hustle. Number 2. Selling digital products. Digital products are one of the easiest ways to make passive income. Examples you can create today: budget templates, ebooks, social media templates, planners, journals, wallpapers, resume templates. Using Canva, you can create these without design skills. Where to sell? Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, Shopify. Why this works? You create once and people can buy it forever. No inventory, no shipping, no maintenance. Earning potential: $5 to $50 per product. Top sellers make $1,000, $10,000 a month. Side hustle number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means earning commissions by recommending products. Examples of things you can promote: Amazon products, AI tools, apps that pay courses, software gadgets. Why it's powerful: you earn passive income, even while sleeping. How to start today? Join Amazon Associates, Impact, Awin, or Fiverr affiliates. Choose products you believe in. Create short reviews or tutorials. Put your affiliate link in the description. Share your videos on social media. Relatable example: someone makes a 30-second TikTok reviewing a tech gadget, earns $150 in commissions in a day. Earning potential: beginners, $50, $300 month; intermediate, $500, $5,000 month; advanced, $10,000+ month. Side hustle. Number 4. AI content creation. AI tools make it possible to create content without showing your face. Tools like Pictory, video creation, ChatGPT, scripts, InVideo, visuals, Canva, designs. What you can create: faceless YouTube videos, TikTok content, Instagram reels, product review videos, motivational videos, finance tips. Why this works? Millions of people watch faceless content daily. You can post multiple videos per day with minimal time. Earning potential: $300, $3,000 a month from ad revenue, affiliates. Side hustle. Number 5. Print on demand. This requires zero inventory. You upload designs, the platform prints and ships everything. Popular platforms: Redbubble, Teespring, Printify Merch by Amazon. Product examples: t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, stickers, phone cases. Why it's beginner-friendly: you don't need design skills. Canva has free templates. Earning potential: $100, $2,000 a month, depending on consistency. Side hustle. Number 6. Social media skill services. If you know how to create short content, write captions, or manage pages, you can offer services to small businesses. Examples: managing Facebook pages, creating TikTok videos, writing captions, designing posters, editing short videos. You can start with just your phone. Earning potential: $50 to $300 per project, $300, $1,000 per month per client. Side hustle. Number 7. Online tutoring or coaching. You can teach a skill you already have. No expert degree needed. Examples: basic English, math, personal finance, computer basics, productivity tips. Platforms like Preply, Cambly, and Teach Me Too make it easy. Earning potential: $10 to $30 per hour. Top tutors earn $2,000, $4,000 a month. One of these side hustles could be the beginning of a completely different financial life for you. You don't need permission, you don't need perfection, You just need to start. Choose one, take the first step today, and your future self will thank you. Subscribe for more videos about money, tech tools, and motivation.